Okay, so today we are doing page 50 and 51. So, let's see. Page 50. おばさんとおばあさん. Right? So, おばさん is aunt, and おばあさん is mother. Right?
Mother?
No, grandmother. おばあさん. Yeah, grandmother. Aunt and grandmother. Okay. 魔法のほうきて空飛ぶおばさん。元気に体操おばあさん。Okay? So, 魔法のほうきて空飛ぶおばさん. So I understand this part. Sora tobu obasan. So the ant is flying in the sky. Maho no hokite. Hokide. Oh, hokide. Maho no hokide. Hokide. So that's direction.
No, Hoki is the one she's writing.
But I mean the de
Yeah.
is the direction thing.
No, by.
Oh, by. Okay.
On.
So hoki, that's a broom. Okay, that's a new one. Okay, maho. Maho.
Magic.
Oh, magic. Maho. So ma. It's been a while. Maho-u, right? Maho-u equals magic. And hoki de. Hoki. Broom. Well, I'll finish this today. Hoki. Ho-u-ki equals broom. Okay, so Maho no hoki de sora tobu obasan. So the ant is magically flying on a broom through the sky.
The magic broom.
Oh, the magic broom. Yeah, Maho no hoki de. Okay. The broom of magic, right? Flying through the sky is the obasan. Genki ni taiso obasan. Genki ni, healthy. In this case, exercising. Taiso, exercise? Yeah. Obasan. So the grandmother is exercising to be healthy. Right?
It's not the purpose. Genki needs like
She's healthy because she exercises. Okay. So one more time. Maho no hoki de sora tobu obasan. Genki ni taiso obasan. Okay? Okay, so let's see. Start here, I guess. Okasan. Oh, moreover? Okay. Is that better? Okay. Okasan, that's mother. Oba-san, that's grandmother. Ani-san, that's... Oni-san, that's older brother. Oji-san, that's like grandpa. Okay? Suji. 5?
numbers.
No. Oh, number, suji. Oh, okay. So suji is numbers, huh? Any kind of numbers? Just general numbers?
General numbers.
Ji.
But because it's G, it's the symbols.
Number, okay. Number symbols?
Yeah.
Okay. And yuyake. Yuyake. Sunset? No. Is that it? Sunset? Yuyake. What is she? Oh, Shimizu is sunrise. Shimizu. What is Shimizu?
Shimizu?
Yeah. What does that mean?
I don't know.
I thought it was okay.
Shimizu is someone's name.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but I also thought it meant okay. I don't know. So yuyake. Yuyake.
So yugata,
Hmm.
evening, yake, like burn.
Ah, okay. Yuyake. Okay. Sunset, right? Sunset. Okay. Then we have One-san, older sister. One-san. Oto-san, father. Imoto, younger sister. Ototo, younger brother. Rosoku. Rosoku. What's rosoku? Blow out the candles? Candle. Oh, candle is rosoku? I did not know that. Ro-u? Yeah. Ro-u. So-ku. Okay.
Good.
So, Oni-san, Yuyake, Rosoku, Imoto o Yobu. Yobu.
Cool.
Call? Like call, hey, come here. Okay. Imoto o Yobu. Okay. So call the younger sister, call the
Right.
older sister. Okay.
So the point of this lesson is what?
Family members.
No, longer sound.
Oh. Well, it's family members.
Oba-san,
Oh, yeah. So, an aunt and a grandmother, it's almost the same, but the longer sound. So the aunt is Oba-san, the grandmother is Oba-san, right? Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you.
おばさんとおばあさん。魔法のほうきで空飛ぶおばさん。元気に体操おばあさん。お母さん、おばあさん、お兄さん、おじいさん、数字、夕焼け、お姉さん、お父さん、妹、弟、ろうそく。